so bleak. Good night, John.
Sleep well, sweetheart. David, could you turn that down, please?
As if you think that's what I listen to.
David, Alexis, turn the music down.
It's coming from the other side.
Could you turn the music down, please? Hello? We're trying to sleep in here.
Stop yelling!
I'm trying to turn the music down.
Stop banging on the wall! David, stop yelling at your father!
Hello?
Why is everybody screaming? Alexis, enough!
The music's too loud.
Then get them to turn it down!
Well, that's what I'm trying to do.
John, do you have any idea what a terrible night's sleep does to one's face?
What, you couldn't sleep?
How could I sleep with a noise?
What noise? They turned it off?
No, you just fell asleep, then stayed asleep with no regard for my well-being. Now my eyes are puffy. Are they puffy?
No, they look like they usually look, Moira.
So now my eyes are usually puffy.
Oh, Moira, they're fine.
These bags are like gypsy caravans, packed to the brim.
Oh my God, this can't be happening.
All right. I'll take care of it. Would you turn the music down, please? My wife hasn't slept all night.
Oh, hey, Johnny.
Hey,
Yeah.
what are you doing here?
Well, we're doing some renos on the house, so we're gonna shack up here until they're all done. Honey, don't hog all the hot water, okay? Thank you.
Jocelyn's here?
Yeah, no, Johnny's here. Yeah, yes, I will say hi to him for you. Jocelyn says hi, John.
You didn't hear us last night? Nope. Banging away?
Whatever you and the missus do after hours, that's your business, not mine.
On the walls rolling with our fists.
And if you're into that kind of stuff, that doesn't bother me at all.
All right, stop it.
What?
Stop it. What are you doing?